Zooming through the air, feeling free. FPV drone, flying over the sea. Abandoned hotel on a beach so fast. I'm exploring a world never meant to last. Diving through the hallway, speed on my side. Through broken windows, I glide. The wind in my face to thrill my veins. I'm chasing adrenaline, no time for refrains. Through every nook and cranny I roam. This abandoned hotel now my own. Through shattered doors and crumbling walls, I'm the king of this place. As the drone prowls